caught in the crossfire. It's caught.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So today we're doing a stump removal. Big old stump, big old wall. I think it's I want to say it's a big old oak stump, and we're turning the area that we're removing the stump into a parking area. So we're gonna strip down the topsoil, all that good stuff, and we're gonna install crushed asphalt along there and then their entire driveway. So we just left the shop, got the Bobcat all loaded up, got the Mini already over there. We already dug the stump up, and yeah, let's get on with our day. It's hot here, Michigan summers. They're beautiful though. Only time in Michigan that it's okay is right now, summers. Otherwise, winter sucks, ugly, cloudy, depressing. Yeah, hit us up in the comment below if you're excavating yourselves or doing anything like that, dirt work. Let us know what state you're in. I'm curious to see what other projects other people got going on, and love the feedback. What do you guys think about us adding some guests to some of our videos? Some other excavating companies in the area that we might do some jobs with or just make some videos with. Let us know what you think. And then, of course, like and subscribe. Appreciate you. See you in a bit. What's up, guys? So on this one, yeah, you can see we're digging up this massive oak stump. We're just working our way around it, getting all the roots up. We dig this thing up, it's monster. But anyways, if you haven't done so already, if you wouldn't mind, smash that like button, subscribe, help us out with the YouTube algorithm. We want to get our content out there, and we hope you're enjoying our videos. So yeah, you can see we're removing all this old sidewalk. We're installing a crushed asphalt pad for this entire yard area and the driveway. The homeowner wants more parking, and I think they want less grass. Who doesn't want less grass? Like, nobody likes to mow their grass when they're busy, and I also think they got a big family, and I think they work on cars and stuff out of this garage, so they need the parking space. So we're going to be installing crushed asphalt parking area and driveway. We're going to do 4 inches thick. Got the skiddy, got the Cat 305 Mini out there, doing all the stuff, just grading it all up. You guys haven't seen the new Yeti cups yet. Screw on lid, closable tops. Let's go. These things are awesome. Can't beat it. But yeah, we're out here in our busy season. This job right here took us about, I think we were at 85 tons of crushed asphalt. The crushed asphalt we use is all 3/4 inch minus, and yeah, you can see we're just grading it and spreading it. You can see I like to be conservative on my material, so I like to get the entire area covered, and then I'll go through and add another layer, and then kind of just use the old dozing method and fill the bucket and just grade off the material, get it all nice and level, and continue on. Also, don't forget to check out the link below. Check out our merch store. Well, we should have some new stuff in there soon. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Spread some crushed asphalt. But yeah, if you guys want, I'd like to see in the comments like any requests for types of videos or just other content. Like if you'd like more in-depth like questions about the business and answers on how we bid the work and stuff, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out a bunch of our other videos that we have posted. We got a bunch on like easy jobs to start your excavation company. We have a bunch on just like questions and like types of jobs that we do. We have ways that you can start your business if you're just starting out, or if you're just enjoying our content. Like, love it. Keep it coming. We appreciate the views and we appreciate the support. If you guys wouldn't mind, if you enjoy our content and you want to see it continue to grow, do better bigger videos. If you wouldn't mind hitting the super thanks and maybe leaving a little donation, greatly appreciated. But yeah, so in this driveway, the customer actually wanted it rolled and compacted. So we used our roller that attaches to the skid steer and vibratory compact rolled it and sets the material up nice. This material is great in the summer. The sun and stuff kind of not really necessarily like bakes it fully back together, but it definitely helps compact it all together in the summer. That's what's great about the crushed asphalt. Like when it rains, it doesn't get muddy. When it's dry out, it doesn't really get dusty. The stuff's amazing. It works wonders. But yeah, we even did something. These people they just wanted low maintenance, I think. So you can even see up by the house, we dumped like a bunch of crushed asphalt in that old garden bed and spreaded that out. So I guess, yeah, I mean, definitely was the first time for that, but hey, no maintenance and material looks nice. The black always looks good with all the aesthetics of the yard and stuff, but yeah, we'll get this video finished off, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate you as always. Yeah, we appreciate you as always, and we'll let you guys finish out the video. We got some cool videos coming up. We right now we're in the process of installing a seawall on a lake and installing a bunch of landscaping around the house and stuff. That's definitely be a good video. Don't forget to check it out. But yeah, much love always. Keep on digging. Dirtworks TV. Nice seeing you.